Hi everyone, my name is Valid and I am a civil engineer. In today's video I am going to show how we can remesh our 2D zone and then run the 2D zone simulations into the InfoWorks. So in the previous video I have shown you how we can create a 2D linear structure, a dam structure into our river model. So once we have done creating a river, creating a dam structure into the river, we have to remesh because we have made changes. Every time we make changes to our mesh, we have to remesh our model. So in order to do that, we will just double click to select our zone. So select the 2D zone. Now we will just go to the model and go to the meshing and mesh 2D zones. Click OK. It asks us for the ground model, so go to the database and then ground model. Click OK. Just run on this PC. As you can see, the mesh is ready now. It's in green, and just load the mesh. And now the mesh has been updated and regenerated the mesh. And now we can do is run the 2D simulation. So in order to run the 2D simulation, I will just import the inflow information, the inflow data that we require in order to run the simulation. So I will just copy my inflow from the transportable database and then paste it here and just close this one and go to the model, right click and new InfoWorks and run the simulation. We can name it as dam simulation, and then from the InfoWorks network is we use this 1D river network. Yes, we want the most recent changes, and to the inflow we'll go to the inflow and time step is 60 seconds. I want the simulation run after every second and duration for 2 hours interval. So once you select the 2D zone, it will automatically run the 2D simulation. We don't have to do anything else. We will just run the simulation, but you can also go through the 2D parameters. It's good to go through them to see. For example, I am using the NVIDIA graphics card, so I will use if suitable card is available, so I go always this one. So and this helps to run the simulation nicer and smoothly. So we will just run simulations and clicks yes. Now you can see this is initializing and it will do a real quick run the simulations, and it has ended the simulation. So we can see the results from here, as it is mostly the dry period, so we don't have a lot of information here. We can just run the simulation. If you will play, it will run it again, but you can see that this was a simulation that gone through our river network. So water is flowing through this area, and if we can zoom in, you can clearly see that this is our dam structure and this is all the river, and now water is holding up and up and up. And now if we will be able to see if the water will flow through this one, it means the dam has been breached, the wall has been breached. But if stays here and the dam keeps the water here, so it will be fine. You can see now all the water has gone through, and it happens because the dam has been breached and it just flows all over the river line, you can see. So this is very nice simulation for the flood risk assessments, for the flood zones, for how the mesh works into InfoWorks. So yeah, this is it for today. Hope you guys liked the video, and thank you for watching. See you.